We are one of the leading exporting countries of avocado, and there is an opportunity for us to scale it up to be even top 3. There's that opportunity because we have a very good environment, we have a very good land, and we can be able to grow. And we not only need to export fresh or dried avocados, because that's what we are doing currently. We have realized out of the discussions today here that if we can add value, those conditions which have been given, which includes peeling and freezing avocados, are a first step towards value addition. So actually Chinese have helped us and given us a wake-up call that we need to add value to our avocado. We don't need to export it fresh. And this is a business opportunity that we are marketing today for Kenyan entrepreneurs.
We are looking at farmers with at least half an acre to an acre and above, because we want farmers who not who will grow, they can grow the two seedlings, the 4 seedlings, which will be used for value addition. But us, we are also looking at numbers, bigger acreages. So the project itself in the pilot program will be targeting farmers with at least access to water, because we cannot rely on water, on rain at this juncture, and also at least an acre